Hello, it's me. Now, I don't feel like being on camera today, and I want to try something a little different. I went to Target, and I got a bunch of these little surprise things. So, I thought we'd go ahead and open them up. So, we'll start off with the ones that are going to be the easiest ones that don't need construction. I have this one. It is a Munchkins Disney. I am really hoping that I get the Stitch or the Winnie the Pooh because that's what hubby likes. So I don't know if there's any tricks to these or not. So I guess we'll just go ahead and open and see which one we got. And I got Stitch. Wow. That I'm speechless. That was sheer freaking luck that I got a Stitch. Because I mean, look at my name. My name is Stitches. So that is sweet. Now, hold on. He's supposed to smell like what is he supposed to smell like? Blueberry creme brulee frozen yogurt Stitch. He kind of smells like kind of just like a vanilla candle, more or less. But that is amazing. And to start off this video with this, oh my god. Okay, so we'll put him off to the side and we'll put the trash over there for right now. So I got the next one. This is also a Munchkins at Target, and let's go ahead. It's made to look like a little, you know, scoop or whatever it is. So, let's go ahead and open it up. I don't want to peek, but I want to see. What is this? What is this? And it's Minnie Mouse. That's kind of cute. Minnie Mouse. Strawberry Sundae Waffle Bowl. So, I wonder. She does. She smells like the strawberry shortcake toys from when I was a kid. So, there she is. She got a little sparkle in her minky at the top. And this is just overall sweet. I mean, it's cute. I'm not going to throw her away or anything, but she'll still go with the rest of them. I have the large Stitch that is the pineapple upside down, and I have the honey swirl for Winnie the Pooh, because that one's hubby's. So, we'll put her off to the side, and we'll see about the next one. Okay, so before we do that, let's turn on a light. Maybe this will work a little bit better. So, this is one of the Harry Potter mini verses. So basically you go ahead and use the resin, and I have my UV light right here. So let's go ahead and try to find this little zipper that is on here, or maybe it doesn't have one. But supposedly, like, these little dots that are right there, they're supposed to be different. So hopefully it's not one that I already had. Okay. So, it comes in a little ball. This is for the table. We'll set that off to the side. And here is the little chart for each one of them and how to do it. We'll put it off to the side. Here is how you do the potion. I don't. Okay. Looks like I got Felch eating slugs, if that's the one I got. So, let's see. Each one of these has a part in it. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so this is the tools. This is the little tweezers and the little spoon for the resin. This is the little potions that you mix in with everything. And I guess those are supposed to be little slugs. I'm not sure, so we'll put that off to the side. Okay, this is the top of the cloche. So this is a cloche. You put it together, you put that on top, and then it makes a giant potion bottle. I think that's kind of neat. So put that off to the side. Here's the little funnel. Here is the little bottle with the Harry Potter, or with the Hogwarts logo on the front of it. And here is a little case to put all your potions in, so here and here probably. There is a little string with a label on it. And here is the resin. So, I'll take that off. So we're going to start off with the flesh-eating slugs repellent. And first things first, it says open up the cauldron. Easier said than done. Remove this. Okay. So apparently I need something to pull. It does not come off very easily. So I'm going to use the cloche as a trash can. So, yee! Almost knocked it all over. Okay, so I'm going to put the instructions above so you can follow along. So here's the cauldron. Now we're supposed to add in the small one. So let's go ahead and get that one. Remove the little label. Oop. There is like a little foam, I guess? I don't know how to explain this. It's like spongy. So I guess you're supposed to add the whole thing in there. Okay. And then add in, or was I supposed to put that? I was supposed to put that in the bottom of the, ooh. They're gonna be too saturated in there. I just need to get this in there. Let me get that. Okay, that was a little bit more painful than it should have been. And then these are the little slugs, which if I can get the tape off, put that over there. And then go ahead and get the little spoon and push them back in. Okay, so now we can get rid of the funnel. Stir these up a bit so they're not all in one place. You know, so they look nice. Put the funnel back on. And then add the resin to it. That's not how you're supposed to do it, but that's how I'm gonna do it. Because I am making a mess here all over my fingers. Recommended you have some form of rag or something off to the side. And just go slowly. So according to the picture, it's supposed to fill it completely up. That didn't fill it completely up, but oh well. Let's go ahead and find it. Oh, it's right there. Find the cork. Put that on. Wait a minute, is that the cork for this one? They're the same size. So, put the cork on, and then hit it with the UV resin, UV light. Okay, so resin is all hardened, the UV resin, and here is the little bottle. Now you tie this little ribbon around the upper part. like so. And then I guess fray the ends, because that's what the picture looks. And again, I've heard multiple people say that these are the hardest labels to get off. Okay, yeah, that was a little difficult. And then we put that on the back. And then you can write on it. So there is the first one. Let's go ahead and clean up the station, and then we can go ahead and make the next one. Satisfying. Okay, so again, cloche, put that off to the side. Table, put that off to the side. Which one did we get? Which one did we get? We got dragon's blood. So this is also a different one that I don't have. So we're gonna go ahead and put those together, and we can go ahead and see. So in bag number 1, you got a mixing spoon. Make sure there's nothing else in there. You get 2 little potions, ingredients. This is for the top of the cloche. Again, another funnel. Another thing they want you to really do is put that there and dump it by lining it up directly above the table, like so. But that's a little bit of a pain, so I'm not going to do that. Put that off to the side though. Okay, and this is... Okay, so this is the bottom that holds your little flask above a Bunsen burner, and I guess that's supposed to be the little Bunsen where you put the fuel in it. That one we've already seen. Whoops. And here are the little memory... They look like the little memory things from Dumbledore's study more than something you'd put dragon's blood in. But we'll go ahead and follow that according to instructions. Okay, so the next one we are doing is dragon's blood. So I'll put the instructions right here. And since we learned from the last time, I took the base off of the little table so that we can actually put this together. So here's the little vials, and here's the toppers for it. There's the little base for your little Bunsen burner underneath. So we need the cauldron, and again, this is a pain, so I'm going to open it. Okay, so I got that one open finally. I had to use a blade to get it open. Slide that up a little bit more. So I am supposed to add in a little bit of the orange. Okay, and get that little spoon. Stir it up. Which is making a giant mess because it's going very, very goopy. It's not very fluid either. So I wonder if I add a little bit of my resin into it, will it thin it down just a little bit? Okay, so I'm just using UV hard. Stir it up a little bit. Okay, so that's a little bit more fluid. Okay, and then it says to pour that into one of the vials. So we put the little top on it, and we cure that with UV. And put it over here. Okay, so there's the first one. And we gotta put a little label on the outside of that, which is right here. And hopefully this one's a little bit easier to peel off. Okay. And it's stuck to my finger. Put that one on there. I like the fact that this is a clear sticker so that it actually looks like it's painted onto the plastic. So, okay, put that one off to the other side. This should be done dripping, maybe. Now we gotta go ahead and add in the pink. Okay, close that up. Find my little spoon, stir it up. Don't make a mess. Oh, that's very pink. Okay, grab the second one and put this back on top and pour that in. Try to get that out. Put that there. Okay, so, and then put the lid on, and then we set it with UV light. So, and then we take off the second sticker. And we try to get it on there as straight as we can. And press it down. Okay. And here is Dragon's Blood. So, this is the new one. This one, turn it around the right way, is Miniverse Makeup Minis. So, I've never seen this one until today. So, I will go ahead and try to open it up. So, I've never seen this one before, so let's go ahead and open this one up. They have a nail polish, another type of nail, oh, that's in Spanish, never mind. Nail polish, I guess a blood, is this all in Spanish? Oh, okay. So, lip oil, lip stain, eyeshadow, nail polish. So, it looks like you can make 4 things? In different colors. So, this one that I got is probably most likely the nail polish. So, you can mix and match your nail polishes. And what comes with it, I like that these little containers are made out of paper. But they don't want to come out. Come here. Okay, so Minx polish. Okay, so those are the little nail polish bottles. Put those off to the side. I like the little box, I'll hold on to that. This is okay, so this I guess is the nail base, the polished nail base. Okay. This is, oh, a little beaker or a little measuring cup. Put that off to the side. This is 100% polish. Oh, it's a little guide so you can mix and match the colors to make your own, I guess. Dark versus light, so on and so forth. Put that off to the side. Put that off to the side. What is this? Okay, so these are little pipettes that you can use to suck up the polish, along with a little spoon for mixing. And then in here is the red nail polish. So it is what it is. I got the red, and basically you go ahead and put the base in, add your color, stir it up, suck it up with a pipette, put it into the fingernail polish, and then go from there. And last but not least, we have the nail kit. So I am supposed to, I'm only gonna make one. Open the nail base, squeeze that in. Oop, I just squashed the little bottle. That is gonna take some effort. Ugh. Okay, just so you know, squashed the little bottle, so I don't know if that's gonna work well with others. Smells a lot like, you know, fingernail polish, so I guess that's another one. Take this red one, add that in. Then we go ahead and we stir it all up. And we get our little polish bottle and one of the pipettes, or can I pour it in? I don't know. So it says to take the pipette and a little bit of time to suck this stuff up. So okay, we're gonna call it quits on that one because I don't want to really do this nail polish one. We'll put that in there. Okay, so there is the little nail polish that I made up. Now, I guess, do I have a nail that I can actually paint? Do this. Okay, so clean up the area and then I'll be right back. And here we are with the 3 that we actually made. Here is the nail kit, which my nail is right there. I don't know how good this is going to be, but we'll see about later. You also have right here the slug repellent. And you got the little slugs inside the bottle, and you have the resin. And over here you have the dragon's blood. So, if this is the type of format that you would like to see more of, put that in the comments. And if it's not, also put it in the comments. But remember to like, share, subscribe, and come back next time for another video of crafting, sewing, playing with toys, Barbie, Funko, whatever we can come up with for today. And again, if you like this format, then maybe future videos I'll go buy some more. So, till then, tschüssi!